Hi, we are the Matsudas, Stanley and Deneen, and we haven't made a video since March 8th. And we just wanted to let you know that all is well. We're fine. Life just got very full and we had to remove something from the plate, and that turned out to be you. And we're sorry. Stanley just told me how many years we've been doing this. It's 6 years, and I said, oh my goodness, that's right, because we started during COVID, and the 6th graders that I was teaching at that time just graduated. They are now headed off to college, and because they were such a special class, they are the class that was pulled away from me March 13, from all of you, same thing that happened to us all on the same day. I crocheted them leis for their graduation. I made 50.
Not the regular crochet. You have to explain that.
That's okay. Yeah, there was crochet involved. And I made 50 leis, and they were so happy to get them, and it was a pleasure. But we wanted to apologize for starting our summer break 3 months early. And we will be rested and ready to go in the fall. And we are even going on a trip at the end of the summer to Boston to Alison Mello's workshop there. We're very excited, and we'll come back with, I know, a lot of wonderful math ideas, where we are still trying to help students fall in love with math. You know, there are people who, like Stanley, wonderful Stanley, I think was born loving math. And there are people like me, and I'm not sure what you are like. You know, are you like wonderful Stanley or like me, who hated math so much? And through my journey, I have learned that we are all math people, and that math does not have to be scary and painful and hateful. It can be a wonderful thing. And the second to the last week before school got out, we were doing a fractions lesson, and I was putting my manipulatives away, and I looked up, and 2 of my little girls, who are just beautiful developing mathematicians, who started out like me at the beginning of the year, they would tell me they hated math, and I looked up at them. I saw something in my peripheral vision, and they were with their arms up like this. They had written a message on their whiteboards to me, and that's how we're going to say goodbye to you this year. But you see what they said. They were not able to really articulate what about this year helped them fall in love with math. Who knows?
They're in 4th grade.
We'll give them a break. We'll cut them some slack. But the fact that they love math now is a win. So, regardless of what map tests show or don't show, whatever curriculum we are using, whatever stress we are going through, let's keep trying to help our students learn to love math, because it will open doors for them that would otherwise be closed. So,
Bye.
We'll see you in the fall. Have a restful, safe summer. Hi, ladies. Today, at the end of math, you called to me, and you had these elevated above your heads. Yes, just like that. And so I want to know why.
Well, like I learned more with you than I used to before, and it's also really fun when we do it the way you do.
Oh, thank you, Emma. Jitsiri, why do you love math?
Well, first of all, I hated math, and now I love it because you're the best teacher ever.
Why? What is it? Do you know is it something different?
I learned way more.
Okay. Well, thank you. I love you both. Thank you. Have lunch. Go have lunch.
Bye.
I'm Deneen Matsuda, and this is my 4th grade class.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.